Look how patient this bird is. Above the still water, it stands unhurriedly, its eyes focused on observing every tiny movement on the surface. In the wild, patience is often more valuable than speed. A few seconds of waiting. Then, lightning fast, its beak strikes its prey with incredible precision. There's no wasted movement. Every step, every glance, is the result of instincts honed by nature over thousands of years. The beauty of nature isn't just about the colors and scenery, but also about how each creature survives in its own way. This simple moment reminds us that success often comes to those who patiently wait for the right moment.